You asked for a machine that could handle the big jobs, and frankly, we love a challenge. So, we built the MimoWork 1835.
It's not exclusive to our friends in Texas, but if you've got that bigger is better mentality, this one's for you.
This specific setup was engineered for one thing: cutting heavy-duty fabric in the furniture and housing industry. Why? Because when we say this machine packs heat, we aren't kidding. We're talking a dual 600-watt CO2 laser setup. You heard that right, 600 watts. And we didn't stop at one, we put in two. This is one of the most powerful CO2 setups you'll find in active production anywhere. So, whether you're cutting through military-grade ballistic nylon, multi-layer protective textiles, or thick leather and foam for a high-end sofa, this is the only machine you'll ever need. But here's the thing: most big lasers have a stationary tube. As the beam travels to the far corners of the table, it gets weak and unfocused. Not here. We engineered this with our dynamic sync LaserPath. The entire laser source moves in perfect sync with the cutting head. This gives you a consistent beam output every single time. Whether you're cutting in the center or way out on the edge, you get zero power loss and perfectly uniform cuts. And speaking of size, the numbers speak for themselves. A 1,800 by 3,500 millimeter working area. What does that mean for you? It means you can take full rolls of fabric, lay them out, and nest an entire 3-seat sofa pattern in one go. You'll probably have enough room left over to cut the matching footstool too. No splicing, no repositioning, just pure, uninterrupted workflow. Now, if you've ever run a big conveyor cutter, you know the headache. The material shifts, it goes crooked, and suddenly you're the one doing the work, not the machine. So we engineered a smarter way. Our auto feeder with automatic edge guidance is the solution. It constantly reads the material's edge and makes tiny, instant corrections to keep it perfectly aligned. Plus, dual pressure bars hold the fabric tight, so there are zero wrinkles as it feeds and cuts. You set the parameters, hit start, and walk away. It's a set it and forget it system that just works. And that's the philosophy here at MimoWork. We don't bolt on fancy gadgets that break on a Tuesday afternoon. We engineer quality-of-life tools that solve real-world production problems. Real tools for real work. So, are you ready to see what the 1835 can do with your material? You know how we do it. We offer a live demo, 100% free, with zero obligation. We'll run your actual fabric on our machine so you can see the results for yourself. Check the link in the description to book your slot. We'll see you there.